click on this and opens up. The idea is on the side here is three little, it's called a readback, is that you read over your entries and basically do a little analysis of what you focused in on when you did those entries. Now, to help with that process, the first thing is to identify themes. Now, to do this, the blog has a thing called tagging. So these tags here are the ones that I've created as I was doing my entries. So if I clicked on a tag like net wall, looking at games categories, all the entries that refer to net wall would then be listed. So everything that associated with that comes up. So the idea would be for you is to go through an entry, and after you've read it through, scanned it through, at the end, just click on the edit at the bottom, and that allows you now to add on a tag. So any tag I want to put down at the bottom here, or I think applies to the entry, would then allow that then to become part of the list at the side. If I put read game, for instance, put that down as a tag, then if I save, what happens is that tag, the theme of one of my entries, it then comes at the side. So you notice now that if I looked up here, you find reading the game has one entry. Now, the good thing about this is it does it for all your entries, but also everybody else's. So eventually we'll end up with a tag cloud here, showing where the dominant themes are across the whole class, as well as for yourself individually. So that will do the readback part with the themes. And then as you go through, answer this question: what does learning look like in PE, and how do you create the conditions to promote learning? That was a question I first asked you. So now I want you to answer it again, and then go back and see what you wrote right at the beginning and see how it may have changed, or your thinking's expanded from what you originally were thinking. And finally, the last bit is to note down what you feel is you need to work on next term to improve in your teaching of PE, and this will help me develop the curriculum of the course. And that should be posted in your blog before November 21st to wrap up the blog. Okay, so that's how to finish that up.